Hey guys, welcome to Signal by Sony. There's nothing better in this world than opening a brand new tech toy. Today I'm going to unbox a brand new Sony 65 X850C. This 4K Ultra HD TV has a 65-inch screen and is just beyond words clear. As you probably know, 4K is 4 times the resolution of HD. There are over 8.2 million pixels on this baby. Sony remains at the forefront of improving the color accuracy and clarity of HD and 4K video with its TRILUMINOS Display and 4K X Reality Pro technologies. It is also an Android TV, which means you can access apps, games, content from Google Play, YouTube, Netflix, Pandora, a bunch of choices. You can even screen share. Okay, let's get this thing rolling. First things first, grab a knife and cut the top of the box to get to the accessories. Under the flaps, you're going to find these 2 remotes. Let's set them aside and come back to them in a minute. Remember to grab these screws and set them somewhere safe. You are going to need them later. In the middle is the tabletop stand, which you can place at the center of the unit if you decide not to hang your new TV on the wall and would rather put it on a table instead. Once you've emptied the top, remove the styrofoam and grab a friend to help you pop out the plastic tabs from the bottom of the box by squeezing the middle and pulling them straight out, and then lift the cardboard box out of the way. Don't forget to grab that secondary accessories bag. This is where your instructions and quick setup guide are. But returning to the bottom of the box, there's a base here. Pull out the cardboard tabs securing it and grab your friend to help you lift this beauty out of the bottom. Doesn't that look awesome? We laid the TV on top of the box to insert the table stand. Remember those screws from before? Find them and use the long screws to attach these brackets onto the metal plates on each side of the stand. These little bumps make sure that they only align one way. Insert the now upright brackets into the base of the TV and set it upright. Then use the smaller screws to secure the stand firmly to the television. This new model comes with 2 remote controls, a standard version and a new jet black matte finish touchpad remote. This little guy is going to help you speed up your smart TV experience with a touch-sensitive pad and voice recognition, and the remote comes synced right out of the box. But before we can use them, we've got to plug her in. The X850C has 4 HDMI ports, 3 USB ports, 2 composite video inputs, a component RGB SCART, rounded out with cable and satellite sockets, Ethernet LAN, Wi-Fi, and audio outs. That should be enough for even the most robust home theater systems. The plug is on the lower left side of the TV. To remove it, push the little tab and pull the tie out to release the cord. Now it's ready to be plugged in and we can savor the beautiful aroma of your brand new TV. I love this part. The X850C has built-in Wi-Fi, so as soon as you turn it on, the first thing you're going to need to do is agree to privacy prompts. The first one will let the TV access the internet. The second will ask you for a Google ID. Inputting this allows you to tie all of your devices together. Once the TV is connected to the internet, you'll start seeing highlighted clips in the home menu based on your Google account. If you navigate to Google Play, the movies and apps you've bought will be visible there automatically. You can also use your phone as a remote for the TV, so no more hunting through the cushions. Just download the Android Remote app from the Google Play Store or the TV Side View app from the Apple App Store, and then pair it with the TV. Now let's go back to the one-flick remote. If you want to quickly find something, hit the microphone button, say what you want, and let the Android TV do the work. Voice search is super quick. I really like this feature. Open Signal by Sony. The picture quality on this unit is really impressive. I mean, it's just exquisite. Sony's 4K X Reality Pro and TRILUMINOS technology produces a beautiful, true-to-life color rendition. The picture is noticeably cleaner and the colors just come alive. The image quality is breathtaking. Sony's design continues to be minimalist, modern, and gorgeous. The frame was designed to be unobtrusive and elegant, allowing the beautiful picture to stand out. I have picture frames on my wall at home with thicker bezels than this TV. Lastly, make sure you have a friend to help lift your new television into place and unbox it nearby where you want to place it, whether it's going to be on a wall or on a stand. This TV is really thin, but it's also huge, so it's better if you have a friend help you move it.